blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look.
Hello! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. So if you are new to my channel aims to help and provide easy makeup applications or product reviews para sa mga makeup enthusiasts or self-taught makeup artist. So kung bago ka sa channel ko, I hope you will learn a lot from this. And please don't forget to subscribe. And kung subscriber ka na ng channel ko, thank you so much for your support and thank you for always watching my vlogs. I love you. So maybe you're wondering right now na meron ka nito, maaaring bumili ka ng Teviant Horus palette and you don't know how to use this. So in this tutorial, I'm going to help you how to apply these pressed glitters para mapadali ang pag-a-apply mo sa eyeshadow application mo. Okay, so first tip, bago ka mag-apply ng pressed glitters, you have an option. First, do the eyes muna para in case na magkakaroon ng fallout ng glitters, pwede mo siyang linisin agad. You can use also scotch tape para matanggal yung mga glitters or madali siyang linisin muna. Or if you are already a professional and you know how to do makeup, then you can also do naman na base muna and then eyes. Pero sa mga beginners, I would be suggesting do the eye makeup first, no? Apply the glitters and then the base. The second tip is use the right eyeshadow brush. If you're going to use a Teviant Horus palette glitters, I would be suggesting to you to use a very firm eyeshadow brushes. These are the perfect tools to easily pick up the glitters. Pag ganito ang ginamit mo mga fluffy, hindi siya makaka-pick up ng eyeshadow and sabog lang siya pag in-apply lang siya. Magkakaroon lang siya ng mess. Mas lalong kakalat. So, we don't want to happen that, right? Or you could also use your fingers kung maglalagay ka ng pressed glitters sa eyes mo. So, number 3, for more intensified and to make the glitters adhere more, I would be suggesting that get a firm eyeshadow brush and dampen it, whether it's ordinary water, MAC Fix Plus, Mario Badescu, whatever your preference is. Ang technique doon is apply a wet method application when picking up the Horus pressed glitters. Number 4, if you are doing a cut crease eye makeup like dito sa area na to naka-cut crease and dito ka maglalagay ng glitters, I would be suggesting always use eye primer based or eye based because the glitter would really stick or would really adhere to the most tackiest area ng eyes mo. So, kung naglagay ka ng eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base, or even a concealer, no, kakapit talaga yung glitters. So, wag kang mag-a-apply ng glitters, especially if you're doing a cut crease na walang eyeshadow primer. Or kung maglalagay ka ng glitters alone lang sa eyes mo, you should always have eyeshadow primer or concealer. The last professional tips, number 5, when using a Horus Teviant pressed glitter is that when you are using the pressed glitters, do not swipe it, no, sa yung mata, but what you're going to do is you are going to use the firm brush, damp it, pick up the glitters, and what you do is you have to press it. Sa amin, ang term namin, patting motion, or you pack the colors, or you pack the glitters, or you just press the glitters sa mata. In that sense, hindi kakalat at hindi madalas yung fallout sa glitters. So before I start the tutorial, for this eye look, I've used Teviant Señorita palette, okay? So, itong Señorita palette na to, ang gaganda ng colors niya, very pigmented, and yung intensity ng color, you could do this in wet application or dry application method. I've used NV, etong ang gandang-gandang green na to, and then for the transition na nakikita nyo, I've combined the Mialma and the Vivier. And then for my lower lash dito, I've used this Fantasia, and then for the brow bone, I use this Beso. Don't you know guys na itong Beso na to, it's a holographic eyeshadow kasi kahit saan mo tignan, para siyang baby pink, pero if you're going to reflect it on light, nakita nyo may purplish. going to show you guys how to easily apply the pressed glitters of Teviant Horus palette.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. We put the nets up in the lines, now we high, high, high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes. Would've thought was LSD, LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy, Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes, recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, go hard to have it is your purpose.
Mahirap bang gamitin ang eyeshadow Teviant na Horus palette? It can be a yes or no. Yes, if you don't have knowledge about how to apply the pressed glitters, if you don't do the research how pressed glitters, paano ginagamit o ina-apply sa eyeshadow technique. No, hindi siya mahirap kapag if you have the knowledge, if you know how to use the proper eyeshadow brushes, and the eyeshadow technique when applying pressed glitters. So if you have any questions about makeup, my social media accounts are up here and you can send me direct messages. And please don't forget to like this video, share this to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, then click here on this end screen right now. God bless you. See you on the next one. Bye!